Hey guys, it's Juju Sparkle Bean here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So it's another day and it's another way to promote my t-shirt or promote myself. So check out my t-shirt. I haven't worn this one in a while. Juju Sparkle Bean, yay! Don't forget to click and subscribe, you guys. So if you like my channel, please do that. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. I have several packages that has come today, and today is Monday, and we all know Mondays are, for me, probably one of the craziest days of the week for where I work. But to come home to a bunch of packages, I've got like maybe 5 packages that I'd like to go ahead and open with you guys. So let's get started. So package number 1, this is from Amazon, and this is so cute, you guys. I will rip it right open, and here it is. It is a, dun-da-da-da, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, so this is a spin-off, I should say, of the Louis Vuitton French Bulldog keychain bag. Because it's a bag because look, check it out. So it's so cute, look at that. Woo, it's black. See, this is my pure aesthetic right here. Faux black leather. It's got the studs on it. Look at how cute this bulldog is. So I got this off of Amazon, and so this is, like I was saying, is a spin-off of the Louis Vuitton French Bulldog keychain for women. It has this cute little zipper on the bottom, and to be honest with you, that looks kind of like his innards. I don't know if I could take that out, or maybe it's just in there to just keep it shaped, but this guy is so cute. And I got this for only $5.01. Yeah, crazy. So I placed the order on September 5th, and today is September 16th, and it only took like, what, 11 days to get to me? But I totally didn't remember that I had placed it that long ago. I'm loving this very industrial looking keychain attachment here. It's like this molten kind of brushed. It's not even really a certain color. It's very, I don't know, it matches him really well. It matches my dog. So anyways, I really love this dog. I could totally put this, I don't know, maybe I could wear it. No, I don't know, that's kind of weird. But would look super fabulous on any handbag, right? It's so cute. So that's my French Bulldog from Amazon. Thought I'd open that with you guys. He's so cute. I'm gonna put him right there. And then I have a really good friend named Marissa who has her own YouTube channel, and she sent me a wonderful package in the mail. So it came today, and she is the sweetest YouTuber. You guys should follow her, definitely. She does live viewings, or she does live view where she'll go ahead and open packages right live. And she told me about it, and I thought, well, I think I might go for it. But Marissa, if you see this video, I'm not quite there yet. I feel like I have to edit a lot when I make my YouTube videos. So I'm going to try to maybe do a live stream at one point. And if I do, I will definitely hit you up so you know that I am live. So, so check this out. She sent me a friendship packet with some masks, and these are from Korea. So here is a collagen mask. These are super cute, super awesome. And this one's for skin firming. So she sent me 4 of these, And so these are collagen face masks from Korea. Thank you, Marissa. You're so sweet. I'm going to go ahead and link her YouTube below. So that way you guys can follow her and watch her. And she has great videos on her house. She has a house tour. She just recently bought a house and she posted a YouTube video. I've enjoyed watching that. Her house is beautiful. Marissa, you have a very beautiful home. And I'm glad you share that with us on your YouTube channel. So I've got 4 of these awesome looking, can't wait to use these. Awesome face mask. And then she also gave me a 15-minute mask pack. It's a Revital Collagen mask. So that's pretty cool. I look forward to using these. So thank you, Marissa, for these little goodies. I really appreciate it. And I will be sending you something very soon. So those are a couple of my packages so far that I have received. I also got this package too, and I'm not quite sure where this one's from, but I am going to open this with you guys. And let's see what it is. Ooh. Aha. So these, how exciting. All right. This is not exciting. Okay. So I work for a doctor in a doctor's office. And these are some scrubs, new scrubs that I purchased. And these are black, and this is from Pack Uniforms through Walmart. So I ordered these through Walmart and the Walmart.com, and so here they are. So they're black scrubs, so super exciting. I've been waiting for these. Can't wait to wear these tomorrow. So, and these were really inexpensive. This is a scrub set with silver snap detail and contrast trim from Walmart.com, and this was only $24.99. So I'm going to wear my new black scrubs tomorrow. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my goodies right here so far. Loving what I've gotten in the mail. And this is an Amazon item. And I'm going to try to see if I could figure out what maybe this might be. And I think it's this dress. Well, I bought 2 dresses from Amazon, and then I'll link the dresses in the description box below. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check them out. So let's go ahead and open this one. Maybe I should just wear the dresses instead of the scrubs tomorrow. We'll see. Anywho. Oh, how cute. Look at this. This is so adorable. Look at the packaging. I love this packaging. So this dress is a cold shoulder dress, and it's super cute and comfortable. And what I'll try to do is link a picture so you can see what the dress looks like. And this is the dress. And this came from Amazon. Let me show you. I'm going to show you how pretty the color is. So it is so cute. So here's the cold shoulder part of the dress. But look at the color. Isn't that so pretty? It is just so fall, and I just love it. I don't think that this dress looks you know, it seems kind of big, you guys, but I don't know. I could totally put a belt on this. This is so cute. I have probably mentioned this before in my other videos. I like things when they're a little looser as opposed to really tight. So this is going to nicely flow over my body. Yes, I like this. So this is the boho dress, cold shoulder dress from Amazon, and this was only $14.99 with Prime. So love that. So I'll link a picture of what this dress looks like in my video, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. So that's that. So, but look at this packaging, it's so cute. So it came in this, the dress came in that, but it was wrapped in this super kawaii looking package, plastic bag. So cute. I love that. All right. And I've got one more package to open. And, oh, let me see. And it's another Amazon item. So let's go ahead and open this. And so this is another cold shoulder dress. And it is a tunic top, loose casual swing t-shirt dress with pockets. And it's black. And this dress was only $12.99. So as I'm trying to figure out how to open this, because I didn't bring my scissors, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my trusty scissors, and I will go ahead and open this Amazon package and show you the dress that I got. Whoops. I think I cut the plastic package off. That's okay. So, dress comes like this from Amazon. Ooh, so the material is nice and thin, like a t-shirt material. And the dress is a long dress, my favorite color, black with pockets. And it is a long sleeve cold shoulder dress. Look at that. So cute. Perfect for fall with black boots, some tights. And when you get indoors, I've been really hot lately, so maybe I'm going through the change of life, like perimenopausal. So I feel like this is something that's nice to have during the fall, because then you can wear a big jacket, but when you get inside, anywhere like the restaurant or at work, you could take your jacket off and you've got this going on. So I love that. So I will insert a picture of what this dress looks like from Amazon, so that way you can also look and see what this dress looks like. Not necessarily on me, but you can see what the picture looks like. So I'll insert that too. And yeah, so I'm really super happy to like open these packages with you guys. So check this picture out behind me. So this picture I found actually right over where I live. Someone had put it by the dump. So where I live in Monterey, there's a bunch of apartments, and someone was getting rid of this really nice print picture here. It's pretty nice. So I actually wiped it down and put it up. So what do you think of this picture? It's really cute. Looks kind of like me back in my 20s. And then my husband Carl has dark brown hair like this, and the couple is actually looking out. It says, you can't see it, but it says cafe at the top right there. But I just thought it looked really cute as a background picture. But thank you guys for watching and, you know, being with me while I unbox my packages that I just got. I just thought it'd be just super fun to just share my unboxing, my unwrappings with you guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't get over how adorable this little dog is. So right now this little dog is super popular. They have it in like LV print, but I'm just really digging his little pleather body with his little stud, silver studded necklace, and this super cool metallic keychain. Looks very industrial. I can't wait to go ahead and put them on my handbags. So All right, you guys. Well, thank you for watching and have a fantastic day. And I will see you at my next video. Bye.